channel. In today's video, we're going to be doing Longaniza tacos. Check these out. Let's go ahead and see how we did this. Meet you outside. All right, it's taste test time. Check these babies out. Longaniza tacos. We got some longaniza. We actually got asada as well. Cilantro, cebolla, and some Mexican moonshine salsa. Shout out to Michael Escobedo Sr. You guys can catch him on Facebook and Instagram. We picked this up at a tamale festival over the weekend. Be sure to tap into him. This is the hot flavor, the hottest one he has. He does have a milder flavor, and this is so amazing. He grows his own chiles, puts them all together, makes his own salsa. Check him out, Mexican moonshine salsa. We're about to tap into these tacos. Taco Tuesday, baby. This is how we're gonna do it. Here we go. Look at that. Bam. Mm. That salsa is so fresh, like you can taste the fresh ingredients that he puts into it, man. Along with the longaniza, that is a perfect combination taco right there. You guys definitely gotta try this out. Ooh-wee! Let's get this asada right here. We did hit it with a little bit of our SPG today. I'm already sniffly. That flavor is bomb, man. Shout out to Michael Escobedo again. These tacos are fire, man. Fire, I tell you. Man, oh man. I hope you guys are enjoying the series of the 12 Days of Grillmas. Please be sure to like this video, share it out. If you haven't done so already, please subscribe. We will definitely catch you on the next one. Thank you everybody for tapping in. Peace out.